Hello and welcome back to Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. I'm Yvette Ferrugia, your host, and today we're going to be creating a gorgeous Easter Bunny cookie. Here we'll be decorating it with some yellow sugar paste because we've cut out our Easter Bunny from our recipe that is available on our website. It's our signature vanilla sugar cookie recipe, and firstly it's delicious, and secondly it holds its shape perfectly once it's been baked. Okay, so go ahead and roll out some yellow sugar paste that we've used, just a beautiful soft pastel colour. We've used a Colour Mill yellow. And then we've also used an impression mat or a textured mat onto our fondant as well, just to give it a little bit more interest. Okay, you could also go ahead and use your favourite stencil to get a beautiful texture on there as well. Okay, so to attach your fondant onto your cookie, just a small amount of water around the edge of the cookie. Used a couple of different molds for our flowers, where we've also got different shapes, different sizes, and also two colours of pink. So we've used rose pink Colour Mill and also a little bow, which we've used the sage green. And then with another little dab of water, okay, just the tiniest amount, you can attach all your flowers and your bow onto your Easter Bunny. Now, all these resources are available from Caker's Warehouse. Now, feel free to change up your bunny shape, change up your colours, but if you are going to order from Caker's Warehouse, save yourself 10% and use our discount code. Creating Easter cookies is a fabulous thing to get your kids involved as well. It's so good to see what their imaginations come up with, and it's fun. It's fun to be in the kitchen with your kids. So if you do, please go ahead, tag us on socials. We're at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, just that little hashtag in front. We'd love to see what you get creative with. Thank you guys. Bye for now. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and of course, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Also, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you never miss out on new content and amazing cake designs. See you next time.